Collateralization of the legal entity. What if I told you that your birth certificate created a financial instrument, and that your legal name is now collateral for public debt? In this episode, we uncover the bond that binds you. Did the government really turn you into a bond? In this episode, we expose how the state uses birth registration to create a legal entity, a transmitting utility, trust, or corporation, which is then bonded and collateralized to secure public debt. This legal fiction becomes the asset the system trades, while the living man is unknowingly made the surety for obligations never consented to. We unpack how your legal name is monetized, how public debt is disguised as personal obligation, and how reclaiming control starts with understanding this hidden process. The state uses birth registration to create a trust or transmitting utility. This artificial entity is then bonded, collateralized, and used to secure public debt. The living man unknowingly becomes surety. Now that you see how your legal name became a security, let's talk about trust law, and how public agents became your unauthorized trustees. Section 56 is where you reclaim your equity. Don't miss it.